I During this demo, I'll be showing you some of the key features and functionalities of our product, how it can simplify your task and save you time and ultimately enhance your overall experience with spatial data. As you would notice that MapReveal can be accessed by a browser, which completely eliminates the need of a thick client to run your geospatial operations. It is the web-based GIS application that enables users to create beautiful maps using their own spatial data set and publishing them for a wider consumption. People who are familiar with MapInfo Pro are also familiar with workspaces. Similarly, map sessions exist within the MapReveal ecosystem. However, map session can be shared and used for internal team collaboration, unlike desktop GIS projects. So when you create a map session, certain metadata is also captured, like the date of creation, how many layers it has, if it has been published or not. This map session contains the stack of the layers and their styling. It can be shared with other users within the organization, or it can also be duplicated to run a different simulation. I'll go inside the map session and see some of its functionality. It allows you to add the data and it allows you to style the data. There are several styling options available like fixed styling, categorize, graduated, and heat map. One can set the zoom range also. The zoom range is extremely helpful in rendering the large data onto a web map. It has symbology provided for each of the features as well. Once the stacking of the layer is done and the styling is also done, one can run the vector processing tools. So there is a host of vector processing tools which are provided in the MapReveal. So after the styling is done, one can publish these maps to share with the wider audience. So there is a publish module which allows you to publish the map and also gives you certain options to customize your published map. It has a couple of layouts and it also generates a couple of APIs as well. One of the API is the WebMap API. So if I copy this WebMap API and share with other users within my organization or outside, then they can use it as a URL to open the map session that I created. This particular API is extremely helpful in integrating the web map with third-party application like CRM or business intelligence solutions such as Power BI. There's another API called Layer Data Access API, which provide access to the data which is underneath these layers which are used in the map session. And there is a embed iframe, which is generated to embed this particular web map, which is created in the map session in any online application. Another aspect of MapReveal is the data. So the data module provides users to upload their data. So we support various vector file format like shapefile, KML, KMZ, GeoJSON, and JSON. And apart from that, we have also extended our support for MRR format, NativeX, and native format of MapInfo Pro. Now there is another module within the data module, which is data library. It is essentially a spatial data drive where we provide the curated data sets to our users. Users can preview any of the data and they can also add these data sets into any of the map sessions. So they can load these layers into any of the map session and enhance their analysis. Now, MapReveal also provides users the functionality to collect data using the mobile app. The mobile app is available on Play Stores, and the admin of the portal can design the form and assign it to a particular user on the ground. There are various widgets available to create the forms of your choice and then publish them and assign them to a user on ground. There is a role-based access system available within MapReveal where different functionalities can be provided to different users within the organization. Once the data is collected from the ground, it can be utilized into a map session to enhance the analysis. So for example, I can go to add data and I can go to a collected data tab where I can see all the forms in which the data has been collected and can add any of this form to my analysis and create a map. With this, I'll end this demo. Should you require any information or if you want to try hands-on, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. I thank you and looking forward.